just want your love. I just want your love.
What's up, guys? Edgar here, lifestylesdefined.com. Welcome back to another episode of AMA. If you don't know how this works, you leave your questions in the comment section below. One of us will answer for you in a future video, so please don't forget to leave your questions for us. Today's question is from Ethan Gee, and his question is, do you think that Project Astoria will help fix the app gap in the Windows Mobile Store? Also, do you think that this means that we will get more applications such as YouTube and Snapchat? That is a really good question. Obviously, the app gap has been a huge talk for as long as Windows Phone has been in the market. Back when Windows Phone 7 became available in 2010, the app gap was a huge thing that was always talked about. Android has thousands of applications. iOS has thousands of applications. Windows Phone, at the moment, I think they had like 20,000. And so it's always been a thing, you know. I actually ignored it for a very long time because it didn't really affect me. It didn't affect me at all because I relied on all Microsoft services, so it didn't affect me at all. It wasn't until I started to, I was required to use Google services, for work, and suddenly my Windows Phone became not so productive on the go because obviously Google services are just not available on Windows Phone, and so I ended up having to switch over to Android, and I bought the Galaxy Edge Plus. But I still do use the my 1520. But that was one of the reasons there. Obviously I didn't have access to the applications, so I had to switch to a different phone. Other applications such as big banking applications. My bank application was not available on Windows Phone. It's still not available on Windows Phone, but it is available on iOS and Android. We also are seeing a lot of these applications, big company applications, dropping their apps from the Windows Phone store and dropping support for the Windows Phone. And so there's nothing really helping Windows Phone when it comes to apps. It's I don't know if it's getting worse or if it's just we're still in the same spot. But I do think that Project Astoria can definitely help Windows Phone for sure. We can talk about BlackBerry. BlackBerry has been running Android applications for quite some time now. The Z10, the Passport, and it does it beautifully. I think it does a really good job of running these applications, but it hasn't really helped BlackBerry get to where they were. It hasn't helped them to increase their market share, and I think that's one of the reasons why BlackBerry is making hardware for Android now. And the same can be said about Windows Phone. Is Project Astoria really going to help? I think it will for sure. One of the reasons being is that Windows Phone is in a better position than BlackBerry is. Obviously, Windows Phone is a lot more popular right now than BlackBerry is. Windows Phone is also in third place when it comes to the smartphone market. So I think those are actual keys to success when it comes to Project Astoria. Now, I realize a lot of people want the official applications. Although Windows Phone has amazing third-party applications, I think that official applications are sometimes necessary. Sometimes people just prefer the official applications. I know people that don't want to download third-party applications because they don't want to give their personal information, which I don't know, I don't understand that, but there's people like that out there that you have to think about. And so I think that Project Astoria will definitely close the gap at least a little bit, when it comes to having access to maybe a nice YouTube, the official YouTube application, having access to Snapchat, the official Instagram application, because the one on Windows Phone is just horrible. Except for, of course, if you use 6tag, better than Instagram. But I really do believe that we do need official applications. We need the engagement of developers for Windows Phone. We really do need that. But I think that Project Astoria will definitely help. It's going to be a workaround, but it's gonna do it. If it does it well, like BlackBerry does, I think it's definitely going to be a step towards the right direction, at least to hold down Windows Phone users for some time, and hopefully you know, that'll bring developers over. But then again, you know, is it really going to bring developers over to Windows Phone? Because why make an application if we already have, if Windows Phone already uses Project Astoria? Why make an application? You can run the Android version. So why make an application for Windows Phone? So see, that's some of the issues that we have to look at. But anyway, that is my answer for you. I hope I answered it well. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and check us out, lifestylesdefined.com. My name is Edgar, signing off. Peace.